welcome back to my channel, Wanderlust here. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa Surfers Paradise. Kakain kami ng dinner dito at saka gagala sa fair mamaya. It's around 5:30 in the afternoon. Maaga kasi yung dinner dito, so we're going to eat around 6 at saka after that gala-gala tayo sa gilid ng dagat kasi nga meron silang fair, so tingnan natin kung anong meron. So yan guys, yan ang aking mga kasamahan. My order is fish and chips. Yan. Ang entrance ng Surfers Paradise, napakalawak din ng shoreline. Mahaba talaga.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember, we were running still.
By the way guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan na nanonood. Thank you so much for keep on watching and supporting my channel. That is my boss.
Couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand open arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze, see your shadows in the trees, holding on, memories never change.
Ang dami-daming tao, as you can see, very casual lang yung mga tao. Ayan o. O diba, white sand ulit, tapos malawak yung shoreline. Maganda yan sana pag nasa araw. Pero maganda din naman pag gabi. Yan. As you can see. So, naglakad-lakad lang kami.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love.
So, yan lamang guys ang ganap natin for today. Kumain lang kami ng dinner, naglakad-lakad, tumingin-tingin dun sa fair nila. Wala din naman kaming binili. Just enjoying the night. Ayan. After that, umuwi na kami. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan, guys. Thank you so much.
You never do. Sugar, there's a
Isa lang ang aking iwanan sa inyo. Whatever you do in life, make sure that it makes you happy. Thank you so much and God bless everyone. See you on the next one.
you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.